Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the July 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Shine Bright. When you open up your box, the first thing you'll see is this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. And it also has a QR code for you to get the link to your digital downloads, which I'll show you at the end. Next, we have this month's art print. This was designed by Alicia of Primary Scouts, and it says, Choose to Shine. Next, we have this month's wearable item. We actually have two this month. I am also wearing them. They are these super cute handmade clay earrings. They are a yellow rainbow, and these were handmade by Flourish and Bloom Co., a small business. Now, whenever we have earrings, I also have a second wearable item for subscribers who don't have their ears pierced. And this month, those are these spiral hair ties. So there are 3 of these in different colors. If you haven't seen these are great for not leaving a crease in your hair. I also think they look pretty cute on your wrist. If you don't have long hair, you can also use these to put a key on. There's those. Next, we have this Be Happy Therapy Balm. This is from Centered. Let me get it out of its little card here. Super cute little mini size. So this is great for keeping in your bag to have on the go. You would use this sort of like you would use an essential oil roller. There's actually directions on the inside. It's a grapefruit, lemon, and spearmint scent. And you could apply this to your wrists and inhale. Okay. Next, we have a stationery item. These are super cute Post-its, says Teach, and it has this sunburst design on it, but it's still light enough that you can still write on it. And then going along with it, I'm kind of obsessed with these pens. I love the colors. These are jotter pens, and so they have that kind of like smooth touch to them, and they're click. One says Teach, and one says Shine Bright. I love this color pink, as you can tell from my nails. Yeah, and so those go perfectly with the Post-it notes. Next, we have these Post-Sweat Refresh body wipes from Ducom Skincare. We'd featured something similar from them before, but this is actually a set of 30 in here. So this is great for, especially in the summer, you know, if you're kind of going from one activity to the next and you get sweaty in between, you can use one of these. During the school year would also be great for keeping in your classroom, you know, if you have something right after school and you just need to do a little cleanup. And then last of our physical items are these lemon sugar cookies from Grey Ghost Bakery. I know you guys will be excited about this because Grey Ghost Bakery is a subscriber favorite. All their cookies are so good. And these have a really kind of unique taste from the other cookies that we have from them. It's like this really nice zesty summery flavor. So those are the physical items. And then like I mentioned, as a subscriber, you also get a set of digital downloads. Now, if you are a current subscriber, you'll already have received the link to that. And if you're a new subscriber, you'll receive that link within 24 hours of subscribing. And then you can also scan the code on your sheet. I'm just grabbing these here. So you'll get 5 desktop wallpapers that you can use on your laptop. Then there is a set of teacher affirmations. There are 12 of these, and I already cut some out to show how you would use them. Affirmations are so powerful, and these ones are specifically for teachers. I am making a difference in the world. I am a competent and capable teacher. I treat myself and my students with kindness. I give myself permission to rest. So you can use all of these or just ones that really resonate with you. These are great to like tape up on your mirror or somewhere that you'll see it every day and remember to say them. So there's those. And then there is also a set of 3 posters that can be used in your home or your classroom. Well, this one's definitely for the classroom. All are welcome in this classroom. Shine bright, and you are enough just as you are. So that is everything that comes in this month's crate. Again, you have your digital downloads, which is your set of 3 posters, your teacher affirmations, your 5 desktop wallpapers. You have your set of 30 body wipes, your Teach Post-its, your 2 jotter pens, have your mini therapy balm from Centered. You have these 3 spiral hair ties in super cute colors, your lemon sugar cookies from Grey Ghost Bakery. This is another month where it's hard to fit everything in the box. Your handmade clay earrings, art print, and of course just your info card. So that is everything that comes in the July 2021 Shine Bright Teacher Care Crate. If you're not already subscribed, you want to head to teachercarecrate.com by July 14th to sign up and get the July box as your first crate. Thanks for watching.